gagawin ng Kiss Mo Now Day, yung collab nila with Bex Battalion. Kasi talagang maganda yun. Nakakatawa talaga yun eh. Sa tingin mo, yung gano'n, oo. Diba? Natawa ka din ba doon? Ay, very good. Nabahin ka. Oo. Tapos, tatawa din ba si Kuya? Tatawa rin si Kuya? Eh, bakit may lipstick? May lipstick. Oo. Kakain ka ba? Oo, sige. Okay. Babay na sa vlog. Babay ka na sa vlog. Babay ka na doon, no? Okay, bye-bye. BATAIR. BATAIR. Come here. Come here. Come here. Focus. Shake hands. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Again. Again. BATAIR. BATAIR. Shake hands. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. No. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Stop it. Shake hands. BATAIR, shake hands. Shake. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. BATAIR, again. Focus. Shake hands. No. 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 Shake hands. Good boy. Shake hands. No. Shake hands. Huh? No. Sit. Shake hands. Good boy. Bye. Shake hands. Good boy. Bye-bye. What's that, BATAIR? That's mine. That's mine. Give it. Give. Good boy. Good boy.